Hello guys, these are my persimmons. I've noticed this morning that it's starting to have a new bud here. I don't know if it's a vegetative bud or a fruit bud. I think it's vegetative bud. Then there are insects that's ruining these leaves. See, these are I forgot when did I bought this. I don't have any tags, but I think it's 3 months ago. See, it is grown. From the seller, it says flat persimmon, flat Japanese persimmon. I don't know how true is that. So this is the one. It is now 3 months old from transplant. I've got two of them. And I'm happy. They're good. That's the update for my persimmon in pot. There you go.